Hey guys, it's Friday. Happy fun Friday to you all. Be ready to share at 8:30 today. You have a Spanish at 9 and at 9:45 we will meet to discuss the second part of our Latin and Greek word study. That will mean water, which is hydro, H-Y-D-R, and hopefully be able to talk today more about plot if we have time. At 10:45, we'll meet to continue with Place Value Detective. I also have one-on-one meetings. Please check the new schedule for these. Raphael and Tiziana, I missed you yesterday, so hopefully we can meet tomorrow, or today, I should say. However, we can reschedule that. Let's make it a great Friday. I will see you guys at 8:30.